Before we dive into the steps of understanding folders, it's important to distinguish between two types of folders within Marketo. One is campaign folders, another is program folders. Campaign folders maintain a tidy workspace for our marketing automation activities, whereas program folders helps us organize our reports, smart campaigns, and assets. First, we will create a new campaign folder, navigate to the marketing activities section, click on the new and select new campaign folder. Write a suitable name for it. Let's say we write workflows, and if you want to add description, it's optional, and click create. And here we can see the folder in the tree. So now let's move towards creating a regular folder under marketing activities on a particular program. Let's create our, we can say, campaigns folder here and click create. When we right click on a folder, we have got some options to consider: rename, move, and delete it. If we want to change the folder's name, we simply select rename folder and type in a new name. Let's say it's reports and press rename button. And the second option is, suppose we want to move this folder to another folder. So in a program, when we are moving one folder to another folder, we have the options to move this folder to assets. Click move, and here we can see now it's a subfolder of the assets folder. And the third option we have here is delete folder. So before we delete a folder, let's make sure it's empty. So we just need to press the click delete button here, and it's done, it's gone.